Have you ever felt like the whole world is moving forward, while you are stuck, broken, and completely alone? Have you ever smiled in front of everyone, but cried silently when no one was watching? What if I told you that happiness is not found when life gets easy, but when your soul refuses to break, even in the middle of your darkest storms? This is the story of Vihan. Vihan was a kind boy from a small town. He had big dreams, just like you. He wanted to make his parents proud. He wanted to build a better life. But life had different plans. He failed his competitive exam 2 times. His friends moved ahead. His relatives called him lazy, and his father stopped speaking to him. Every day, Vihan woke up with a heavy chest. He stared at the ceiling asking, "Why me?" His phone never rang. No messages, no job, no purpose. He felt like the world had forgotten him. One evening, Vihan sat alone on a rooftop. The sky was dark, just like his heart. He whispered to himself, "Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I will always be a failure." Tears rolled down his face. The pain inside him had become too loud. He thought of giving up. But then, something happened. He saw a street cleaner below, sweeping the road under the heavy rain. That man had holes in his shoes, no umbrella, but a gentle smile on his face. Vihan watched, confused. Why was that man smiling when life had given him so little? That night, Vihan could not sleep. He kept thinking, maybe happiness does not come from success. Maybe it comes from peace within. For the first time in months, Vihan asked himself not, "Why me?" but "What now?" From the next morning, everything changed. No, his problems did not magically disappear, but he changed. He started small. He woke up early. He began jogging to clear his mind. He studied again, but this time with patience and no pressure. He avoided toxic friends. He stayed offline. He practiced meditation. He wrote in a diary. When fear knocked, he faced it. When self-doubt came, he replied, "I am still trying." Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. And then one day, he passed the competitive exam, not with the highest marks, but with the strongest heart. Even after that, life was not perfect. New challenges came. But Vihan was no longer the same person. He had learned how to remain calm during storms. He had understood something very important. Happiness is not the absence of pain. It is the presence of peace, even when pain exists. And then, 1 year later, he received a letter. His eyes filled with tears. He had been selected as a customs officer. The boy who once felt worthless was now serving his country with pride. Maybe you are like Vihan right now. Maybe you are facing rejection, loneliness, or failure. Maybe you cry at night and pretend to be okay in the morning. But listen closely. You are not your pain. You are the power that rises from it. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. You are still here. That means your story is not over. One small step today can change everything tomorrow. So, how can you be happy and remain calm in difficult times? By remembering this, you do not need to control everything around you. You only need to believe in what is within you. Because sometimes, the strongest smile comes from the soul that once cried the hardest. And maybe, just maybe, your storm is not here to break you. It is here to shape you into someone even stronger, just like Vihan, the boy who once failed and then became a customs officer.